340 Storm Alert Center. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning in Coleman County. Of course, that boundary is becoming a little more diffuse as we're seeing some daytime heating.
Point here, and again, this is the Smith Lake Dam. My finger is on the Lewis Smith Dam right here. This tornado signature.
Siege of tornadoes that began on the 25th in Oklahoma and Texas rolled a call across the Gulf Coast states and up into the mid-Atlantic by
also across the country. Our weather pattern, why was it so quiet? Big ridge of high pressure was in control off to the northwest. We had an area of low pressure off to the east.